everyone, it's Farah here. Welcome to our YouTube channel, FS Travel Seekers. This is part 3 of our Switzerland series, focusing on Jungfraujoch region. Jungfraujoch, also known as Top of Europe. It is situated at an elevation of 3,454 meters above sea level, making it the highest point in Europe. This iconic mountain pass offers breathtaking panoramic views of surrounding Alps and is a popular destination for tourists seeking stunning alpine landscapes. There are two ways to reach Jungfraujoch. You can either take a train from Lauterbrunnen with a stopover at Wangen, or you may take a Grindelwald route, depending on where you're staying. The train will take you to Kilinchendeck station, where you need to change the trains to Jungfrau Express, which directly takes you to Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe. Please note, if you have a Swiss pass, it will only be valid until Wangen or Grindelwald. From here onwards, you have to purchase a separate ticket for Jungfraujoch, or you can buy a pass specially designed for Jungfrau Express. Follow the links below to get more details. The journey through this stunning mountainous terrain is an unforgettable experience. Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, offers a range of activities and attractions for visitors to enjoy. Here are some things to do in Jungfraujoch. Sphinx Observatory. Visit the Sphinx Observatory, one of the highest observatories in the world. Enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of Elish Glacier and surrounding peaks. Ice Palace. Explore the Ice Palace, a network of tunnels and chambers within the Jungfraujoch Glacier. Admire the beauty of remarkable carved ice sculptures. Elish Glacier. Take a guided tour or hike to the Elish Glacier, the largest and the most impressive glacier in the Alps. Lindt Swiss Chocolate Heaven. Indulge in the Swiss chocolate delights at Lindt Swiss Chocolate Heaven. Sample and purchase a variety of chocolates at this sweet attraction. Snow Fun Park. Engage in the winter sports and activities at the Snow Fun Park. Try snow tubing or simply enjoy the snowy landscapes. High Flying Adventure. Experience the thrill of the helicopter ride over the stunning mountainous terrain surrounding Jungfraujoch. Swiss food at restaurants. Enjoy traditional Swiss cuisine at one of the restaurants with panoramic views. Savor local specialities while taking in the breathtaking scenery. Remember to check the weather conditions before you visit, as the high altitude environment can vary. Whether you're interested in stunning views, adventure activities, or cultural experiences, Jungfraujoch offers a diverse range of attractions to make your visit memorable. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, FS Travel Seekers. Stay tuned for the next video on our Switzerland series.